Today, we're diving into some pretty cool tech behind the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and it's all about those sleek, slimmer bezels that Samsung quietly pulled off. So we all know foldable phones have a tricky problem to solve. How do you keep water out around those folding edges without making the phone bulky? Well, Samsung came up with a fresh solution for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 that actually makes the bezels thinner while still keeping it waterproof. Pretty impressive, right? Before we dive in, a quick heads up. If you're planning to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 7, make sure to use the exclusive links below, made just for KidAndroid HA viewers, to grab some awesome perks. You'll get a free $50 Samsung credit just by clicking the link, plus up to $150 storage upgrade credit. That means you can either double your storage for free or get a big discount on the 1TB model. On top of that, there's up to $1,000 in trade-in credit for your old Samsung phone and 30% off Galaxy watches and buds. These are limited time offers, so don't miss out. Here's the deal. Previous foldables used a wide waterproof protective layer around the screen edges, which made bezels thicker than most of us liked. But with the Flip 7, Samsung integrated the waterproofing directly into the display assembly. This clever engineering means the phone can keep water resistance without those chunky bezels, and it shows. The Flip 7's cover screen is a full-view panel, with the two camera sensors and LED flash neatly cut out, and the bezels are way slimmer than before. According to Insider Ice Universe, the bezel on the Flip 7 measures just 1.25 millimeters, which is even thinner than the Galaxy S25 Ultra's bezel. This is a major step up from the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which had those much thicker bezels. Samsung's pushing the screen right to the edges, making the phone look cleaner and more modern. What's also exciting is that this tech hints at what we might see in next year's Galaxy S26 Ultra. Could those flagship phones get even slimmer bezels thanks to this new waterproofing approach? Fingers crossed. Samsung's always been about durability without compromise, and this is just another example of how they're innovating behind the scenes to make foldables better than ever. What do you think about the Flip 7's new design and slimmer bezels? Would you want that on your next phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Bye. But you